In this video tutorial I will show you how to change the Snapchat notification sound. First of all, you will not be able to do this from the application, because if I open my Snapchat app, and even if I go to my Bitmoji profile, if I go to settings, if I tap on notifications, you can see we do not have the option to change the notification sound. So instead, launch a phone settings. Here, go to apps. Find Snapchat and tap on it. Next, select notifications. Make sure all notifications are enabled. Then tap on notifications categories. Tap on the notification you want to change. For example, I will select snaps and chats. Next, tap on sound. Select the notification sound you want to hear. Then go back. And also here you can change other notifications chats. That is how you can change notification sound on Snapchat.